spy hop. There's a calf in here too with this group. It's beautiful. I don't know which pod. I remember either JK or L. I'm just not sure which pod.
Way again. He's coming right at us. Right under us here. Look at that. You know the cookies were coming out. What kind of cookies?
Mike, how long do you think it'll be before the tide comes in for us? Gotta wait for the tide to pick us up. Barb, have a look.
What?
There's not much paddling going on up front.
I know, I keep trying to warm up my fingers.
Oh.
Jeez. That's one reason we go to Florida. My hands freeze up.
So don't worry, I know this boat can be a little bit tippy. But you should be fine for at least a minute or two if you fall in. The water's only, you know, it's at least like 50 degrees or so, right?
I know how cold it is because my right foot's soaked.
Alright.
He doesn't know how beautiful he is. Shadows in the front. Just beautiful. It really is. I know, I take these pictures, I get them home and I think, whoops. My mom used to. It looked a lot better when I was there. Yeah.
The grandest forest that you can imagine.
It's frosty up there, huh? Nice frosty night
So
there last night.
a variety of stages of clear cut here, as well as some of the roads leading up at about 3 o'clock.
Yeah. Oh, he's coming. Underwater.
I have a feeling if you put the hammer down,
That thing is moving.
yeah, it is. Look at it.
Chainsaws in the background.
Galley tour. There it is. It's the galley tour.
We're doing 7.6 nautical miles.
And how many miles?
Like 8.2.
There he is.
Bunch of dolphin going berserk over there.
White-sided dolphins being joined by a large crowd of gulls overhead. This very unique sighting in these inside waters, something that we see only once or twice this year as we make our way north and south.
These ones aren't quite sure what to make of the boat, maybe.
Yeah, they're going around. Right here. See him, Jim? Fish.
And he said nobody else ever hunted the
training program here. 16 laps per mile according to Art.
God, that's vertical. You can't get up.
Bear somewhere over there.
Became National Parks Department land.
Pretty narrow passage here. Huge waterfall. Look at the size of that thing. Coming all the way down. Check it out.
Oh, fun. It's kind of drooling down your... That's terrific.
Perfect time for a video of the cast of characters. You think?
We're absolutely ravenous.
Queuing up for yet another feeding session.
You're capturing the finer moments of Thank you.